Hi, today we're going to talk about enabling and using the structure tool in HCM. In order to use the structure tool, you will need a sandbox activated. I have my sandbox already activated, and I can tell it's activated because I am in a sandbox represented by this yellow bar across the top of your page. We're going to talk about structure today, and structure is the me, the my team, the procurement, all of these tabs across the top, the buttons in the middle of the page, as well as any quick action items. All of those are configured in the structure tool. To open the structure tool, make sure you have an active sandbox, come up to tools, and click on structure. Once the page refreshes, you'll be presented with a navigation configuration page. At the top of the page, you'll see icons and words that are representative of the fields or tabs that go across the top of your page. Notice our page started with me and then my team, my client groups, procurement, etc. These are controlled over here on the right on what's visible based on an EL expression. So I don't see sales or service or sales performance. I only see me, my team, procurement, etc. If I click on the main header for each section, I can identify the name of the section, the icon associated, and if it's going to be either yes, no, or if an EL expression is going to control whether it's shown on the navigator or not. This one is an EL expression. If I click the edit icon, it tells me how or who is going to see this icon. I can validate it, and I can click OK. If I'd like to change the icon associated with the Sales tab, I can click on the search icon. And these are all of the available icons we can use. The color of the icon will depend on the color structure you have set in your site. I can pick an icon and click OK, and it will change the icon on that image. I can save it or save and close, but for right now, I'll cancel. So that controls what the header and the icon on the main page is displayed. If I expand the Me section, you'll see all of the subcategories under the Me tab. So when I look at the Me tab, I might see personal information, directory, connections. Over here along the right, if the check mark is fully green, it means it's visible to everyone. If the check mark is not fully green, it means an EL expression is controlling the visibility. I can click on the personal information section, which is basically an icon that's presented on the screen under the Me tab, and I can control the order in which it's shown on the screen. I can move it up or I can move it down using the arrows along the right. If I click on the personal information tab, the information will load, also controlling the icon that is visible with that. I can control the name of it, the icon, what group it falls under. So this is falling under the Me tab. I can choose whether or not it's shown on the navigator or whether it's shown on the springboard. Remember, the springboard is going to be your main page with all of your little icons. The navigator is this over here. When I click my hamburger dropdown, this is my navigator. It tells me what type of link it is. It tells me the web application as well as the secured resource name. I can continue going down the list and ensuring that all out of the box or added sections are listed and have the appropriate visibility. If I click back into personal information, you'll notice some additional tabs visible. I have the Tabs tab, which shows different icons as well as visibility. I also have panel tabs. This one happens to show related links and also shows its visibility. I'm going to collapse the Me and I'm going to go back into it. And you'll notice we kind of already talked about this already. My Me, the height, the title of the tab, the icon, and how it's shown. But we do have this quick actions over here. So remember, quick actions is anything down the left side of the page. So this is where we're going to see all of the quick actions that are available to us. If I click on it, it tells me the name of the quick action and if it's visible or not. And if I expand it, it tells me all of the different options underneath the personal info quick action section. I'm going to take you back to the home page. And as a reminder, we talked through the Me, the My Team, and when I'm on Me, I can look at the icons directly under me that are visible, whether they are visible always, whether they are visible never, or whether their visibility is controlled by an EL expression. I also control the quick actions that are available. If I scroll down and I click Show More, remember when we were looking at the personal info under quick actions, and then we had all of these options underneath? So the personal info is my high level, and when I expand, I can add all of these underneath. That's how you select and choose what tabs are displayed, to whom they are displayed, what buttons are displayed under each tab, because if I click to a different tab, it will change, as well as what quick actions are available on the main page, as well as when I click more, by header, and then all of the quick actions that are available underneath. Once you've made your changes, you want to make sure that you publish the sandbox so your changes take effect.